guys, and welcome back to another episode of Getting Healthy with Dr. T. I'm Dr. T, registered pharmacist for over 23 years, and I'm here to show you how you can stay healthy using food as medicine, making better choices to improve your health and prevent sickness and illness. And today we're discussing apple cider vinegar. There has been an uproar of apple cider vinegar. There's a company called GOLI that has come out with a apple cider vinegar gummy. So today we're gonna make apple cider vinegar gummies so that you can incorporate it into your daily regimen. It has been said that apple cider vinegar is one of the healthiest things you can drink. It has been linked to lowering blood sugar, decreasing the risk of heart disease, and improving your digestive health. Some people may find that it is a little hard to swallow because of the taste. It has also been shown to decrease inflammation and act as a detoxifier to the body. So it has been used for centuries all over the world as an antimicrobial and for its antioxidant benefits. And if you follow me here on Getting Healthy with Dr. T, you know I am a fan of everything antioxidant. Antioxidants helps your body to get rid of free radicals and decreases oxidative stress on your cells, which could cause chronic illness, inflammation, and cancers. Evidence also suggests it may help weight loss, reducing cholesterol, and like I mentioned before, lowering blood sugar levels. Now let me just briefly tell you how apple cider vinegar is made. So apple cider vinegar is made by crushing apples and adding yeast to allow fermentation to happen. And fermentation is basically the process of sugar turning into alcohol. And this is the process that's used to make beer, wine, and most alcoholic beverages. Once the apples are fermented, bacteria is added to further ferment the alcohol, turning it into acetic acid. And that's the active compound in apple cider vinegar known as the mother. The acetic acid gives apple cider vinegar its strong smell and taste. And it usually sits right there at the bottom, clumped up until you actually shake it. That's the mother. So this cloudy, murky substance at the bottom of the apple cider vinegar is loaded with proteins, enzymes, and good bacteria. So in a nutshell, apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting the sugar from apples, turning it into acetic acid, which is the main ingredient and is responsible for all of its health benefits. It's not something that you just get used to right off bat. It's very strong, it's bitter, and it burns going down. So today we're gonna make apple cider vinegar gummies so that you can easily incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily regimen. And to make these gummies, you'll need 4 ingredients. 1.5 cup of apple juice, 1/2 cup of apple cider, 1/2 cup of water, and 5 tablespoons of gelatin. The gelatin is used to help solidify the gummies, and it also possesses its own benefits such as improving gut health, joint health, and skin health. So let's get started, guys. Let's make some apple cider vinegar gummies.
This is a new bottle of apple cider vinegar, and all of the mother is sitting at the bottom. Be sure to shake your bottle well and make sure everything is mixed properly.
The apple juice is going to help to offset the bitterness of the apple cider vinegar, creating a balance of sweet flavor.
Gelatin is a rich protein and has a unique amino acid profile that gives it its beneficial health benefits. There's evidence that shows gelatin may reduce joint and bone pain, increase brain function, and help to reduce signs of aging. Now let's combine all 3 liquids on medium heat. Now that the 3 liquids are mixed, you can now add your gelatin in slowly. I've increased the speed of this video, so it may seem as if I'm doing it fast, but it has to be added slowly so the gelatin doesn't clump up. Be sure to mix it in well, never allowing the heat to boil. Boiling this mixture will damage the mother of the vinegar, so you may want to increase the temperature to make it a little faster, but don't. Just be patient, mix it in slowly, and it will dissolve on its own. Once everything is mixed, it should look very clear. You can see here it's still cloudy, so it still needs to be mixed a little more. And once it is all done and mixed, the liquid should appear clear. Now I am filling my molds with the mixture. And these are pretty small. I guess I'll have these for the kids. I also did a second mixture where I added freeze-dried blueberry to give it a little color, and that's what you're seeing here.
Okay, so we have our finished product. They are so cute. Aww. Now let's try them out. Oh, these silicone dishes, I ordered them from Amazon, so they are easy to obtain and use. So you can see how cute they are. Now let's taste. This is my first time making them. Disclaimer, I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know, it still tastes like apple cider vinegar to me. I would pretty much just rather put my apple cider vinegar in a warm glass of water and chug it. This is a little different, but we tried. You give it a try. You see if you like it. Maybe it's better for you to ingest apple cider vinegar within a candy-like substance versus having it as a warm liquid. If you've tried the GOLI apple cider vinegar gummies, leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Does it taste better than the regular apple cider vinegar? For me, I prefer it as a warm liquid over the gummies. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Getting Healthy with Dr. T, where I share quick and easy health tips on how you can stay healthy, stay fit, and immune ready. As of right now, I'm sticking with the regular apple cider vinegar in warm water. Give it a try, leave a comment down below, and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, stay healthy. See you next time.